We can do a mouth check.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's putting all 5 in his mouth. He's focused. Oh. He's got 3 down.
15 seconds gone.
Wow. Piece of cake.
$30 seconds.
Those moths. Maybe we're gonna have to up the number to like 7 in a minute. You're gonna have to
15.
swallow before.
Five.
Open your mouth.
Wow.
55 seconds.
That was impressive.
Shake. Your mouth turns into like it's like cement.
Maybe it's because it's Kroger saltine.
Is that 5 or 4?
What, no?
Yeah.
I did 5. 1,
Yeah, he
2,
did
and
5.
2.
I know. There.
Alright. 7 seconds. 5, 2, 1, go. Fifteen seconds
Thank you.
gone. 20 seconds gone.
You said that in the span of 1 second.
30 seconds left.
So you've never accomplished this before, and you're on your road to victory.
20 seconds left.
Maybe not.
10. 5, 2, 1, 0.
Okay.
How much is left in your mouth?
Now it's gone.
Alright, so a minute